Delhi, National Capital Territory of India with over 32 million population, is choking every winter with a thick smoke covering the city, turning its sky in grey and air toxic. Here comes our team Innovatics. Understanding the problem, Delhi's air is getting abundantly polluted. Farmers burn crop stubble leads to huge smoke into the air. Heavy traffic releases exhaust gases causing smoke. Industries also emit harmful gases. And for citizens, they don't get hyperlocal pollution data, no personalized health warnings, and no guidance for safe routes. Similarly, for policymakers, data often arrives late, lacks depth, and makes it hard to measure the effectiveness of interventions. This delay results in weak actions, leaving millions exposed to unsafe air. And this is the gap we aim to fill. Our solution starts with source identification using satellite data and CPCP monitors to trace pollution back to its origin. We use AI forecasting to predict air quality index for the next 24 to 72 hours. For citizens, we provide both web and mobile app with live AQI for their exact location, personalized health tips, and safe route guidance. And for policymakers, our dashboard shows source contribution breakdowns, tracks rule effectiveness in real time, and even generates AI driven recommendations. Our platform stands out with its unique extra features, a personalized health advisor that provides age and condition specific tips, ecotourism support highlighting less polluted green travel spots, a chatbot assistant to answer citizens' queries in real time, multilingual support so that more people can access it easily, and a policy simulator to help governments test what if scenarios before implementation. The impact is powerful. Citizens get early warnings, safe route guidance, and better awareness. Policymakers get real time data, evidence based insights, and tools to track intervention success. Overall, this means healthier air, stronger collaboration, and smarter policy decisions. Here is our website, a smart pollution monitoring and management platform that empowers citizens and policymakers with real time insights and intelligent predictions. Let's start with the citizen login page. Once users sign up or log in, they land on a personalized dashboard. Using the CPCB API, our platform fetches the current AQI based on their real time location. To go beyond live data, we have integrated LSTM networks that forecast AQI for the next 24 to 72 hours, helping users plan ahead. We also provide smart alerts and personalized health advisor, guiding citizens on how to stay safe and reduce exposure. In the map section, users pick their location and destination, and the system instantly suggests the cleanest, eco-friendly route using live AQI data. We also provide AQI predictions based on seasonal trends so users can understand long-term pollution patterns in their area. Through our eco-friendly tourism section, users can discover greener destinations and sustainable travel options. The policy update section keeps them informed about new environmental laws and initiatives. If someone spots pollution in their locality, they can use the report issue option to directly notify authorities. To make it accessible to everyone, our website supports multiple languages and includes an AI powered chatbot for easy guidance and instant responses. Now, let's move to the policymakers login page. The first section is policy effectiveness, which gives a clear picture of what's working and what needs improvement. Next is the active policy section, displaying all the policies currently in action and their ongoing process. Moving on, the real time pollution map highlights pollution hotspots and changes in air quality across different regions. The live data stream keeps policymakers updated with the latest air quality readings collected from sensors and monitoring stations. The source identification feature highlights the main contributors to current pollution levels. Using satellite data, it visually represents pollution sources and their percentage contribution through interactive graphs. Further, the forecast section provides 24 to 72-hour air quality predictions along with seasonal trend analysis, helping policymakers plan proactive actions. At the bottom of this page, high alert forecast warnings are also displayed for quick attention. The policy simulation agent allows policymakers to test various strategies by adjusting parameters like duration, intensity, or area to visualize how each decision could impact air quality before implementation. And finally, this page displays citizen uploaded reports giving policymakers valuable on ground insights and feedback from the public. Now, let's explore the Citizen app. designed to make pollution awareness simple, personal, and action driven. Starting with the map section, where users can find the least polluted route between any two locations using real time AQI data. The ecotourism section promotes clean travel by recommending low pollution destinations and routes. Users can report pollution issues directly to authorities, creating a faster community led response. Finally, our offline peer-to-peer sync lets users share AQI and alerts without internet, keeping everyone connected and informed. The Citizen app brings smart awareness, real-time safety, and eco-conscious choices into one simple tool.